Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create and download your Monzo bank statements using your mobile. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal dots just below your balance. Select Bank Statements. Here you have two options. Scroll through and select a previous billing period or tap Custom Date Range to generate a statement for a specific period. Choose your start and end date. You can even create a statement for just a single day. For example, I'll select January 8 as both the start and end date. Tap Export Statement, choose Bank Statement PDF. Now scroll to the bottom and tap Save to Files. Press Save in the top right corner to download the file to your phone. To find your statement, go to your home screen, open the Files app, or use the search bar if you can't find it. Tap Browse in the top left. Select On My iPhone. You should now see your Monzo Bank statement at the top. Tap it to open and view. And that's it. That's how to create and download your Monzo Bank statement using your mobile. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.